Hey guys, today I bring for you creative braiding hairstyle for Africa or Braka, woman or lady. So I think this is really good. So if you're looking something to look good, I think you right place. I bring it actually. If you follow my video, I bring decent hairstyle, decent. So I'm here to share with you different hairstyle pictures. So I think you're going to like it. If you like it, if you don't have problem, please you can subscribe. So if you like it, you can subscribe my channel, like, and you can share your comment or like. So look at this, it's really nice. It's really simple and nice. Remember, I bring here decent hairstyle. Decent. So everyone you can play this hair. Everyone like this one. You can play this hair because it's really decent and it's really good. So if you're still looking something to braid, I suggest you to come here on my channel. If you want to follow me, like when I post any video and you get if you want, or you're a hairdresser, actually if you're a hairdresser, I don't have problem. If you can follow me when I post any video. You're going to get like this one. Is really nice. It's really decent and nice. You look when you braid this hair, and really this is Cornrows, even this Cornrow, but it's really nice and beautiful. Okay guys, I hope you're going to enjoy, or you will still enjoy this video. So and I suggest you, if you're looking something too good, just you just watch this video up to end. Never know, you can choose any style you should like today or another day or tomorrow. So I'm here to share with you guys different pictures for hairstyle, African hairstyle for ladies. So yeah, like this one, simple, too simple and really nice. Okay guys, remember I'm still sharing a lot of different hairstyle. So for my next video, I'm going to share about hairstyle, natural hairstyle actually, next video. So if you want to know which one I'm going to share with you, you just subscribe, comment, and like, and even look at this one. It's really nice and I think it's simple. So you can share. Another way you can share. Yeah, I think you are going to enjoy, and I hope you're going to find any style you should like to play to style your hair. I think you're going to find something here. Yeah. Okay guys, enjoy the video.